What's up, YouTube? The Car Boy's back here with another video. Today I got a video of me doing a bolt-on for the engine of the Acura TL. I got a 2008 Acura TL. It's a base. I'm gonna be doing a throttle body spacer. I'm gonna be installing that today, but first I gotta run to O'Reilly's and grab some Allen wrenches. So yeah, that's what we're gonna go do right now. But before we get into that, make sure y'all go ahead and hit that subscribe button and turn on your boy post notifications to be notified every time I upload a new video. And let's head on over to O'Reilly. Swoop. Before I head on over to O'Reilly's, I'm gonna show you what it looks like. Here are the new hardware. As you see, it needs some Allen wrenches, so I gotta go ahead over there. And here's the actual throttle body spacer. I'll take it out once I get back and let you guys see that. And here's a sticker. I don't know where I'm gonna place this yet. I don't know, but yeah. That's all that came with it. So that's all that came with it. Yeah, let's head on over to So now that I'm back for AutoZone. I didn't go to O'Reilly because I didn't have what I needed. I just wanted this with this these Allen wrenches on this key ring. But as you can see, I'm gonna actually show you guys what the throttle body looks like. And I will include the link to this throttle body in the description below. So this should give me some torque and a little bit of horsepower, not too much, but just a little bit. But mostly it gains your torque for your TL. So let's get to installing this bad boy. Okay, first what you want to do with changing out your throttle body is take off these 4 bolts that's connecting the throttle body to the intake manifold. You want to take off this sensor, right? I mean, not the sensor, but the plug to the sensor. I tried to do this without you guys and unplug the sensor, but I just broke my damn clip. As you can see, the thing sitting right here. Broke that clip. Excuse that loud ass car. But then you want to, after you get these 4 bolts out, you're gonna want to take these studs out. You can do use these 2 nuts. Use 2 nuts like this right here. That's on the top, and you can back the stud out of there, and you can just toss those studs because you're not gonna use those anymore. That's what the new hardware is for. And yeah, it's pretty simple install. Not hard at all. I would say it's about a 6 out of 10 install. So let's go ahead and get this thing rolling.